It's July the 15th, 2024. So you know what that means. The Secret Weapon PLR has some new drops, and I'm going to share them with you in today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shari Deloach. I'm a digital publisher, and I love to share with you different income strategies that you can use in your business to get started in digital publishing. So I'm super excited about today's video. And if you love the Secret Weapon PLR, or if you love PLR products in general, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell because I do upload one of these videos every single month on the 15th of the month. Okay. And I also do some reviews too on other PLR sites. So if you know some, put them in the comments you want me to do a review, because I have a checklist that I go by to make sure that they fit for you as my audience, to make sure you're not buying those ugly and PLRs that people don't, or that are outdated. Okay. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and go ahead and put a comment below as well. So we are inside the Secret Weapon PLR, and let's check out what's new. But first off, you might be new to me. You might be new to this whole PLR. You're like, Sharita, what is this? Okay, this is the Secret Weapon PLR. PLR stands for private label rights. This is where an individual can create a digital product, a blog post, a course, and they give you the license to sell it as your own. You can make changes to it, add your name, your branding, as if you have made it, though. So this is what the Secret Weapon PLR does. What they do is digital products. So digital products like journals, planners, social media, email. You can get logos in here, and you can add your branding. You can go out and sell it. Okay. Now I want to make sure too that I go over the license. Okay. So every PLR site should have a license, and the license basically tells you what you can and cannot do with their products. If they do not have a license, go somewhere else, because more than likely it's probably an amateur site. Okay. But here's what you can do with these digital products. In the Secret Weapon PLR, you can sell the digital products. You can have them available to download in your membership if you have one. You can generate unlimited sales. You can sell as a printed document. You can sell on your own website. You can share the resources with your clients, and you can modify the content, the design, the digital product. You can do whatever you want with it. But here are the three things you cannot do. You cannot trademark or patent the designs. You cannot sell or share as a PLR product to your own clients. What that means is, if you downloaded a journal, and then you're trying to sell it to your clients or on social media for them to use it as a PLR, you can't do that. That is called master resale rights. So you can't transfer the master resale rights either. Okay. Master resale rights is basically what I just explained. You can buy a product, and most of the time with master resale rights products, you can't make changes to it. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. But if you can, you can resell the same product to someone else, and they can in turn resell the same product to someone else. Okay. To me, it's like a pyramid. It's not really a scam. It depends. But anyways, we're not here to talk about that. Okay. All right. So here is the license. So just make sure I want to make sure we go over the license so that you have a clear understanding. Here are some of the products that are in the Secret Weapon PLR. The Secret Weapon PLR is a membership. So it is $27 per month that you can utilize what's in here. Okay. So you have templates, you do have planners, you got some emails, you got affirmation cards, checklists, you got covers, you got Google Sheet templates, logos, you have all sorts of things. And here you got promos in the box that you can sell as well. Okay. It is categorized by different niches or niches, whichever way you say it. We have the mental health, mindset, beauty, business, career and jobs, education, real estate, and relationships. We got mindset and love and leisure. We have travel and household. So it's in the health, wealth, relationships, and leisure. Y'all know those are the most profitable niches out there, okay? Health, wealth, relationships, and leisure, which we have travel and household. You know, if you like the organization girlies, yeah, that's where you are, okay? So on the 15th of every month, you have products that that are in here. They're going to stay in here. Like if you come over here to products, you'll be able to see that. There's some resources in here as well. They also have 4 different vaults. So if you're a coach, they have a coaching vault here, coloring book vault. You want to, publish coloring books, ebook vault, and a planner vault. Okay. So on the 15th of every month, they have some new products, and I'm going to show you this. But this is what's trending this week: is a summer giveaway flyer. Okay, if you're on Etsy, you can also, sell these on Etsy too. Which a lot of the tools that Evelyn and Jessa, they are in charge of this. I'll link their YouTube channels below, but they also have different communities. I know Jessa is really, really fluent when it comes to Etsy, and Evelyn is very, very fluent when it comes to like the coaching industry. So they teach different things, but they combine their skills together to create this amazing PLR site. And I'm going to be a forever member. Like that's just something I'm just going to pay for every month, no matter what. All right. So here are the newest products. Now the newest products will always be in here. They're just new, so they go into a different category. You have your spa day digital stickers. You have social media onboarding template. You got a worry worm tags. Get to know new employee survey, leadership coaching templates, photo shoot planner. I think that's nice. You have Instagram templates for well-being coaches. If you're a well-being coach, Instagram templates for Pilates, pet grooming Instagram templates. Welcome to the team printable daily routine cards for dementia. You have Instagram templates before and after, especially like for weight loss. If you do before and after, maybe you do some cleaning before and after. We have a grief journal for teens, chiropractor social media posts, chiropractor social media content plan, fitness challenge flyer, LinkedIn post templates, nervous system regulation cards, core values cards, a website template. This is for candles. UGC checklist. If you're into the UGC, you can, I know some UGC girlies that can use that. Life skills checklist, dance coach planner. This is a tribal highlights. You have a daily checklist for the elderly. You have a sourdough bread care card. That's interesting, right? But scroll down here to the coaching tools, self-esteem worksheet for adults, accountability worksheets, codependency worksheets. Here's some new in the coloring book section. You got this groovy birthday, minimalist scenery, enchanted library. Here's some new planners in the planner vault, baby shower planner, school psychologist planner, homesteading, printable planner. And down here, the mini ebooks, real estate transaction timeline guide, dog sitting guide, and property management guide. Okay. Now, they don't just put anything in here. This is backed by research, by different tools that they use, especially tools that use Etsy and what's trending. Okay. So now we're going to go to the limited edition. Now, these digital products here that I'm going to show you will expire on the 15th of August. So if you're in here, if you plan to sell these or whatever you plan to do with them, or if you want to use them, make sure you download them. Most of all of these digital products go to Canva. So you will need to have a Canva account, Canva. Some of these you can use with the free. I haven't seen anything you will need any major, unless you want to add something, then you'll need to upgrade to Pro. So here are the limited edition drops for July. You got the construction. Looks like this is all construction. So you got construction promo flyer, kids construction blocks. You got construction mascot or / logo. You got a construction checklist. This looks like it's going to be in a this is a Google. This looks like a Google Doc or something. Google Forms. Construction social media posts, construction resume. Okay. Excuse me. It looks like they're doing a lot with these social media posts. I've been seeing different industries with them. I absolutely love them. Okay. So those are the limited edition. Remember, they do have the special gift. So they have two memberships in here from two of their clients. And there are some things you can download. Here's for the healthcare. And this is nutrition. So you're in that industry as well. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you're interested in being a part of the Secret Weapon PLR, I have the link in the description. I am an affiliate, so I would love for you to be a part of that team. If you do use my affiliate link, let me know in the comments, because I do want to make sure that I'm available for questions. If you have them, you can get my email, or if we need to hop on a call to see how you can use these, please let me know, because I want you to have full support. Because when you access the Secret Weapon PLR, it does not come with like a community or anything like that. Okay. Just to give you a heads up, you do have access to Evelyn and Justin's team, their email. You do, but I do want you to know that I'm available as well if you have questions via email. Okay. So I'll put it in my description. Sure. Yeah, it's in my description on all of my videos. You can reach me there, or just make a comment, and we can chat it up there. Okay. So if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video next month. All right. Talk to you soon.